Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create an Error 404 page for your website, and I will design it with Elementor, and I will do it for this website that you see over here. And if you are interested in how to make this website, I have created multiple tutorials exactly in which I'll explain step by step how you can create this complete website. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. And before I start, I want to ask you to like the video if you like this content, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's go over to the WordPress dashboard that you see over here. I have already been logged in. And what you want to do to create the 404 page is you need to go to Elementor, and below Elementor you see templates, and you can click on it. And over here you can see all the templates that already have been created for this website. But what you need to do to go to fix the 404 page, the Error 404 page, is first you need to click on all over here in the corner at the left. Click on it, and once you've done that, you can see all different tabs over here, and each tab stands for a specific template for your website. And in this case, we need to go over to the tab at the right. Over here, Error 404. You need to click on it. And as you can see, I haven't created an Error 404 page yet. So that's what I'm going to do now, so you can see it exactly how it's done from the start. The first thing you need to do is go over to this green button over here, Add New Error 404, and you need to click on it. And over here you see Error 404, so that's good. And now you can name your template, and let's call this Error 404 template. You can enter any given name for the template that you want, but I'll do this one. And after you have filled in a name, you can click on this green button, Create Template. So let's do that. Now the Elementor editor will be loaded, and now you can see that over at the blocks tab, you can see that this has been set already to 404 page because we have selected that template in the dashboard. And over here you can see all kind of professional looking designs for 404 pages. So you can select one if you want to, but if you don't want to make use of a template, you can also design everything from scratch. But I always like to use a template because it saves you a lot of time. And for example, I'll select this one just by clicking on Insert. Now we have to wait for the page to load. After everything has been loaded, you can see that the template is now displayed on your page. And of course, like always in Elementor, you can customize everything exactly how you want it to be. So you can change this image, for example, by clicking on the section in this on this icon in the middle. Then you see over here that the section has been selected. Then you can go over to the Style tab, and over here you can select a different image if you want to. So let's do that. For example, I'll just pick this one. And now you can see it's looking like this. So the text, you can also customize the text by selecting it. Now you see that the heading widget has been selected. And in the Style tab again, you can go over to typography. And over here you can select a font for the website. Let's change it to this one, for example. Or you can change the size. But for now, I'll just leave everything as it is. Maybe the only thing I want to change, just to show you, is the color of the button. Go to Style. And over here you can set the color by going to Background Type. And over at Color, you can select like green, for example, like this. And if you want, you can also set the font in the button to bold by clicking on typography, and over at weight you can set it to bold. So that's how it's done. let me quickly show you how the design is looking on the tablet device and to make sure if everything is also responsive. This looks fine. So now let's go over to the mobile tab. And over here everything is looking fine too. The only thing I want to do is the watch in the background image, I want to set it to the center. So let's see if we can do that by selecting the section. It's already in the style tab, so that's fine. And now we have to change the position to center. So now it's set to center, and as you can see, the image is now displayed in the center. So now it looks a little better. So I like how it is right now, and you can also do it over here, but I think for this device type, everything is looking good. So I don't set the background image to the center. I'll just leave it like that. And in the desktop view, everything is looking fine also. So let's say you're completely satisfied with how the design is looking. Then the next thing to do is you need to publish the page by clicking on this green button over here, publish. So I'll select it. Where do you want to display your template? Over here you can add a condition, so you need to click on this button. So let's do that. All singular. Let's see. You can scroll down and now you can go over to 404 page. So select that, and then you need to click on save and close. So this is how it will look like for visitors of your website. This is how it looks on tablet. And this is how it looks on mobile. And one thing I forgot to mention, if you want a specific URL for the button, you can do it like this. You just need to select the button, go to the content tab, and over here you can set a link. So you can enter a URL for your website or a specific page or any link you want to, and then it will be applied to the button. And if you just click on update after that, then that link has been set for the button. So that was basically everything you need to know on how to set up a 404 page with Elementor. So that's everything you need to know. I want to thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and also give a thumbs up for this video if you like the content and if it helped you out. So thank you again, and I hope to see you again in the next video.